Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna reveal my latest buy, which is of course a fortune because it is from Louis Vuitton, and I am so excited to unbox this huge bag. And we're gonna share all the details about my purchase, about what I bought, and how the entire thing looks like. And I'm so excited to share this little story. So yeah, take a cup of cappuccino or tea if you like, and sit, relax, enjoy this story. So first of all, why I wanted to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, right? It is an expensive bag, and why I wanted to do that. Bag has been always like my, this thing which is actually, I always love buying bags and shoes. I just can't resist buying them. And for me, if I am going for a designer bag, I'm not just bragging because I recently bought this expensive bag. You will see, out of all the things, I love DIY, doing DIYs. So I have done with this bag as well. So been waiting. I did share a picture of me with the purchase, but I waited till I create this video is because I wanted to do a little bit of DIY to convert this specific thing into a mini bag, because I didn't want to go ahead and buy a bag and then regret it, because this is one of an expensive purchase and I really wanted to be sure that this is what I want. So yeah, this is my little treat to myself of working so hard, and this keeps me motivated, this keeps me happy. So that's why I did this purchase. How I decided this particular thing to buy is, I've been searching. When I bought my Michael Kors, and which I showed you guys, like the unboxing and everything, the Hamilton which I got from Michael Kors, I wanted to go for a luxury bag and ended up buying the Michael Kors Hamilton, is because I really love that bag. I wanted to buy that bag. My husband gifted me Michael Kors Selma, and then I bought myself a Michael Kors Hamilton, is because I always wanted that bag. And when I bought that, I promised myself that my next bag which I'm going to buy is going to be an exclusive Louis Vuitton bag. And I would really like to do that for myself, is because, as I told you, it just keeps me going and it just motivates me to work even more hard and to save money to buy all of these expensive things for myself. So when I was really sure that I wanted to buy a Louis Vuitton bag, and I searched and researched all about Louis Vuitton, all the kind of bags that they have. And I ended up liking the Speedy and the Alma and the Neverfull, which is their like basic bags which are super famous. And then I also saw Mini Pochette. So what I want in my designer bags are to be mini bags, because those are really cute to look at and those are really easy to carry around. So I wanted to buy a mini bag. So then I started looking at mini pochettes or pochette accessoire, but to my surprise, those are not available in India. And I've been asking them, I've been telling them to, whenever it will come to India, just book it for me, but it never happened. So I started looking for an international option, like if I can like go ahead and buy it from somewhere else and somebody can bring it for me. But that was also out of question because of the COVID happened and all of these flights and stuff like that. So I was searching. I saw this girl's video on YouTube which completely changed my mind. Was this Toiletry 26 bag review, and she showed this LV Toiletry 26 bag. It's not a bag, actually it's a toiletry pouch which she converted into a mini bag, and that blew my mind. I was like, wow, this is what I really need, because if you convert that bag, like that toiletry pouch, into a bag, that is an exclusive bag that you have a DIY bag for yourself. So I called up the Delhi store, and to my surprise, they had that like mini pouch available at the store, and I booked myself that bag, and I am so happy that they booked it for me. They kept it for me, and with that I also bought another thing from Louis Vuitton, which I have been like eyeing for it to buy for, like I was like dying to buy that. So without any further ado, let's just unbox this huge bag, and I'm gonna show you what's all things are inside. What are the 2 things that I bought from Louis Vuitton? So this is the bag. I bought it from the Delhi store, here. So this is the huge bag that they gave me. Like this is their shopping bag that came, and inside I bought like 2 items. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you is the Toiletry 26. They packed the Toiletry 26 into this kind of an envelope bag. Like this is not a bag, this is kind of an envelope which they packed. I asked them for the box, but they said that the Toiletry 26 comes in this. The Toiletry 26 comes in 3 different sizes. Comes in 15, 19 and 26. You know, pre-loved market have the prices higher than what is available at the store. So I consider myself to be very lucky that I got my hands onto this bag. So let's just see how the LV Toiletry 26 looks like. I'm gonna unbox it. So this comes in the dust bag. This is the dust bag from Louis Vuitton, and this looks like this. It is a pretty cotton dust bag, and let's just unbox this. Let's just show you. So this is the toiletry pouch that I got from Louis Vuitton, and it is a very simple pouch. It is of course a toiletry bag from Louis Vuitton. So it is very simple. Just got a very basic kind of a chain here. If you open this, it got nothing inside but just like one bag, and it is like there's no compartment, nothing like that sort of. And yeah, that's what it is. And if you see the barcode, like the code of this bag is written here. This bag is made in Spain, and yeah, I just searched everything. I'm gonna put the details here. So this bag is made in Spain, and I am super lucky that I got my hands onto this. And let's just unbox the second product that I got from Louis Vuitton. This little thing that I got from Louis Vuitton, this is my second purchase from Louis Vuitton. This is, I'm gonna open it for you guys, and the dust bag, and the same thing is here as well. It's got this mini sticker here with the barcode and everything, and I would like to reveal. So this is my second purchase from Louis Vuitton, and I got the key pouch, and this is also very hard to get right now, but I got lucky that I got my hands onto this. So it just comes with this key holder and key pouch. So this is the kind of pouch I am going to use as a wallet, and use this to hold all of my keys. So yeah, this is like perfect for holding all of your cards, cash, because it also got a zipper, so you can also put your coins inside. And you have, like, I have this 2 stickers and yeah, something from Louis Vuitton as well. So these are the 2 purchases I showed you from Louis Vuitton that I recently bought, and I'm so super glad. So now the question comes, like, how to convert this into a mini bag, because this is a toiletry bag, of course, right? So I went ahead, I was just seeing that video, and I saw that people have converted this with a conversion kit available at Samorga website, which is a South Korean website. And what they do is they made exclusive bag inserts for particular, like for this they have, for different other brands they also have bag inserts. So once you have the insert here with the D-ring, you can put your chains or whatever, like a sling or a bandolier to hold the bag and use it as a mini bag. So I went ahead, like before I went to the store, the day I actually booked both the bags, like this mini pouch and this bag both together, I went ahead and placed the order for the bag insert as well as the chain. So I got those two things in 2 weeks time, because the customs and everything takes a little bit of time. So I got them within 2 weeks, and I'm gonna show you that as well, and I'm gonna show you how I put that and convert it into a mini bag. Also, I forgot to mention that I have also received the bill like this. I'm not gonna show you the bill though, but it came in this kind of an envelope from Louis Vuitton. So these are the things that I got from the store. They did not give me the box for my toiletry 26 to hold, but I have I've been checking a lot of Louis Vuitton review videos and stuff, so I got to know that the canvas is to hold the canvas, it's very good to keep it like a little bit into the air and not keep it in the box. So I'm gonna keep it inside this only with the dust bag, and yeah, so I don't need the box as such, so I don't mind they did not give me the box. So the conversion kit that I ordered, I already told you that I ordered it from Samorga. I'm gonna put all the details, all the things into the description box, so if you want to see from where and what website I bought all of this from, you can definitely check the description box below. So I went to Samorga and I placed the order for the chain and the bag insert. Bag insert that I placed the order for came wrong. Actually, I placed the order wrong. I did not order the bag insert with the D-ring. This does cost me a little bit of more money, but I'll try to use the bag insert in some other bag definitely, because this cost me a little bit of money. So this was the first purchase from Samorga. Then the second, along with the back insert, I also got the chain. So they gave me a cute little pouch like this for the chain, and this is the bigger chain, like the back chain that I got, and it looks so stunning along with my toiletry 26. And I realized I placed the order wrong and I received a wrong bag insert. I went ahead and placed another order with the D-ring. So the D-ring is going to hold the chain for me to create, to convert the toiletry 26 into a mini bag. I'm gonna show you how. So this is my toiletry 26. I'm gonna put this bag insert inside of this. This is like Samorga, because they make bag insert for specific bags. This fits like a glove. So this looks like this once it is inside of the bag. So it is just amazing that this bag has now D-rings to put the chains or slings if you want, the bandolier if you want to convert this into a mini bag. Now that I have the D-rings here, I'm gonna just put the chain here. Very easy to put, like the chain one side is here and I'm gonna put the other side as well. And that's how the bag is looking. How pretty is this, right? So I'm gonna insert a video of me carrying this bag like this. This is perfect to carry it around your elbow or around your shoulder. So this looks super cute. I'm gonna put an insert video here to show you guys how it is looking, and you can definitely see how cute this is looking. I'm in love with this. This is like a little DIY kind of bag, and it is, you can say it is an exclusive bag that I now have, and I am in love with both of these items. And I don't know, I just totally love it. You can also carry this as a crossbody bag or a sling bag. So how I'm doing that is you can definitely go ahead and place order for LV bandoliers. I'm gonna put a screenshot here, as well as I'm gonna put the links below in the description box. But as I just bought the bag and I've been saving for this, you know, these two items for a while, I didn't went ahead and bought the bandolier just right there itself. I just wanted to wait and see how the bag feels on me, if I only wanted to carry this as a shoulder bag or an, you know, arm bag, or if I really want to carry it as a sling. So I never went ahead and placed the order for the sling. Like the bandolier, I just wanted to wait till I am like 100% sure that I want it. By that time, as you know, I have two Michael Kors bag, and those two comes with sling, you know, what do you call it, sling strap, let's call it sling belts. So I have these two sling belts from Michael Kors, which are very high quality and very good. This actually I wanted to carry with the bag, but I feel like this is like not going with the bag and just, you know, it's just not suiting the color. But the other sling you know, belt that I have here is kind of looking nice along with this. So I'm gonna show you how I am using this. So this sling comes with this kind of hooks, which very conveniently can be inserted into the D-ring that is here with the bag, that the bag insert that I got. So I'm just gonna attach this, and now this is your sling if you want to use it as a sling. So this is pretty cute. I really love how this bag is looking. I'm gonna again insert a little video where I'm showing you how the bag is looking when I'm carrying it like a sling and when I'm using it as a crossbody bag. So you will see how beautiful and how cute this is looking. Of course, I'm now like 60% sure that I want LV bandolier along with this, and I would like to go for a monogram bandolier, and I will definitely place the order for it. But I'm just, you know, saving a little bit again. Now let's see what both of these bags hold. I'm gonna start with the key pouch. So this is the key pouch. It just a very basic pouch. I'm gonna just take these two out for a time being. And if you see the code for the key pouch, it's just written right here inside the key pouch. I'm gonna just put an insert here. I'm gonna show you guys what it can hold. So I'm just gonna keep the key holder like this little thing outside, and I'm just gonna take a couple of cards. So these are 6 cards, which includes my debit credit card as well as my IDs. So it just fits into the pouch very comfortably. Then I'm just gonna have some cash, which just goes very comfortably inside. And I also, because in India you get a lot of coins, right? I'm gonna insert coins right here, which also sits very comfortably, and you can see how nice it did not, you know, lose the shape or anything, and it just goes very nicely and comfortably, like sitting inside the key pouch. So this is now my favorite little thing now, which I truly love. So let's just see what carries in my toiletry 26 mini bag. So I have started calling this my mini bag is because, as you can see, this toiletry 26 is now converted into a mini sling bag. So let's just see what all things I can fit into this beautiful toiletry 26. So my foremost important thing that I always travel with or carry in my bag is my compact powder from MAC. This is gonna go in the first compartment, like right inside. Then I'm gonna carry my sanitizer bottle, of course, which just goes very comfortably here. Then I'm also gonna put my key pouch, which just goes in one of the compartments right here. You can see right here. And people buy bag organizers and bag inserts for all of their bags, because it's so convenient to carry all of your stuff with a bag organizers like this. So then I always carry my pack of gums. This is Altoids. I have few gums and few mouth fresheners right here, which can just comfortably sit in the middle. Then I'm a very weird person. I keep this mini pouch kind of thing, like a bag, and keep all of my rings in this. So this can go and sit in the compartment, like one of the compartment. And then I have my this is Body Shop strawberry hand cream. Very important, because you use a lot of sanitizer these days and your hands are always dry, especially mine. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my Etude House lip tint, lip and cheek tint I always use. Then I'm gonna put my Color Bar chapstick inside this bag very comfortably. Everything is sitting right here, if you can see. And then I also carry this mini hairbrush from Vet, which can go right here, like just sitting right here. And then I always carry, this is me as a makeup artist, very weird thing, that I carry a mini sponge along with me all the time and wrap it in a tissue paper like this, so that if I need kind of a touch-up or anything, I can definitely go ahead and do my touch-ups with it. So this can go and sit right with my, I don't know if you can see, right with my ring pouch that I showed you, very weird. And eyebrow pencil from Sugar, so it just also went inside. Then I have my iPhone charger, because you don't know when you need your chargers, right? So this can go into this mini, in like the compartment that I have here, like right here. And then I have my earphone, which can also go. So now my bag is fully stuffed, and you can see how still this is nice and beautiful. It is looking, it is not losing its shape, anything, because it is quite a nice, like, large bag. You can see, like, this is my hand size. And oh, I forgot to also put my phone inside the bag, so just comfortably sits inside, right? So yeah, this is my Toiletry 26, and this is how it is looking from inside with the bag insert. So now I'm gonna zip this, because this looks perfect, right? There's no stretchy, nothing like that sort of, and it is looking perfect. And with my phone inside and everything, this is like good to go. This is all of my essential items inside. I'm gonna zip, everything is inside and it's good to go. It looks so super pretty. Can't wait to carry it everywhere with me. So yeah, that's all about my Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, do not think that I'm like bragging or anything about the bag, or I bought an expensive bag or something. Out of all the bags that are available in Louis Vuitton, this is a DIY bag, and this is an amazing deal that I got. And thankfully to the video that I saw, and I finally made my mind to get an LV bag and convert the bag like this, like a toiletry bag, and convert it like this, and looks so pretty. Looks like an exclusive collective bag, and I'm in love with it. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed.